Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and in today's video I'm going to tell you how to do this quick and easy eyeshadow application. You can achieve this look in less than 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's start today's tutorial. First, apply your eyeshadow primer. I'm using NYX waterproof eyeshadow primer. Just apply over your eyelids like this and dab it with a beauty blender or a sponge. Now take your favorite concealer and apply it over your eyelids. I'm using Rimmel London's Lasting Radiance shade Nude 050. Just dab your sponge over your eyelids with a beauty blender or a sponge to give it a finished look. And now use any pressed powder or loose powder to mattify it so that the crease won't be there. I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me 220 shade Natural Beige. I'm using this shade to warm up my crease and it's the Matte Bar palette from Maybelline's New York. I'm applying it over my crease in a to and fro motion, and you don't have to be precise, just do it roughly. As it's a quick eyeshadow tutorial, so we won't be taking much time to get our look. I'm using this color. It's neither green nor blue, so you can say it's between green and blue, or you can say it's a sea green color. Apply your color with the help of round and fluffy brush. We are using round and fluffy brush because it's a quick look. So we don't have to switch the brushes, just you can use the same. You just have to clean your brush on a brush cleaning pad. Just keep on dabbing your color over your eyelids and start blending or buffing out your edges like this. Keep on blending the edges till there will be no visible harsh line left. And here I'll be using this beautiful glitter on the inner corner of my eyes. It's totally optional. You can skip this step or you can use highlighter, the basic highlighter on the inner corner. But to give it a little glam, I'm applying it in the glitter shade. And it's a pressed glitter, so I don't have to use the glue. And now apply your favorite kajal or Kohl. And this one is another optional step. You can totally skip this. What I'm doing here is I have just taken my same color on the flat brush and I'm smudging my Kohl. And if you want to do this, then take your color in the flat brush and just smudge out your kajal or Kohl. Put your favorite highlighter on your brow bone. And your favorite mascara on your eyelashes. With this, we are done with our quick eyeshadow tutorial. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, do share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future updates. I'll see you soon with my new video tutorial. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy and stay safe. Thanks for watching.